Ever asked yourself why so many people include aloe vera in their hair care routine? There's your answer right there. This isn't something that has been appearing for just a while, but rather something that has been in existence for years and years to help remedy various health and beauty woes, with its help on hair being one of the most outstanding. Ultra hydrating and repairing damaged hair. The solution that aloe vera brings to achieving healthier, shinier hair is all completely natural. Now, what really makes aloe vera such a force in the world of hair care? Let's dive into its incredible benefits and how you can use it to feel like your hair deserves to be treated. Aloe vera is a multi-purpose shrub that's widely known for its efficacy in enhancing the skin and promoting hair growth. It belongs to the family of Xanthoriaceae, subfamily Asphodaloideae. The scientific name of aloe vera is Aloe barbadensis Miller. It's one of the essential herbs that people extract by naturally nurturing at home. Aloe vera is a succulent perennial plant that has been used for ages in folk medicine and cosmetics. It is recognized by its typical thick fleshy leaves in which a gel-like substance is contained, and it provides vitamins, microminerals, and antioxidants that are favorable for feeding the hair and scalp. Majorly, the hair enjoys vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E within it, alongside some enzymes and amino acids that particularly work on the rehydration and repair of the hair. Aloe vera. The natural moisturizer for hair. Well, obviously the moisture. Being basically made of water, aloe vera is a heavy projectile when it comes to fighting dry and brittle hair. Its naturally gel-like texture easily penetrates the hair shaft and hydrates it from within, sealing the perfect hydration deal. Also, its polysaccharides help in sealing moisture within the hair so that you end up with hydrated, soft, and silky smooth hair. Hydrating not only hair with its liquid but also being beneficial in repairing the hair and strengthening it. Aloe vera's enzymes work to scrape off the dead cells from the skin of the skull, helping healthy hair to grow. Its high vitamin content helps in repairing damaged hair follicles and stops further hair breakage. With regular use, it can restore the shine of your hair and reduce the split ends, making your hair feel strong and resilient again. Using aloe vera to nourish scalp health. Healthy scalp equals beautiful hair, is how it is often put, and a very big role in weight plays aloe vera in keeping the scalp healthy. This also helps in reducing irritation of the scalp, dandruff, and itching of the scalp. Additionally, it helps to balance the pH levels of the scalp so that it neither becomes too oily nor too dry. With a healthy and well-moistened scalp, it provides better growing conditions for hair and improved growth of the same. Aloe vera may be the answer you have been looking for to help increase the speed of hair growth. The proteolytic enzymes contained in the aloe vera stimulate hair follicles, hence facilitating the growth of strong, long, and healthy hair. It helps reduce hair thinning through strengthening of the hair roots so hair fall and breakage are reduced. Whether you're trying to grow out your hair or fill in sparse areas, aloe vera is magical. Aloe vera application to hair is not that hard, but there are several ways through which it can be done regularly. One can extract gel out of the leaf of the aloe vera plant or simply purchase an already packed gel or juice from any outlet. Another of the applications is through direct application over the scalp and hair, followed by rinsing with a mild shampoo after half an hour. Aloe vera juice, therefore, can be a fine supplement if sprayed onto the hair to hydrate it quickly. Aloe vera shampoo and conditioner set by Pure Nature Lux Organics Aloe Vera Shampoo Hair in New Hair, Skin and Nails with Marula and Aloe Pills for longer hair in New Hair, Skin and Nails Pills, with biotin and kelp for hair growth and energy. Although aloe vera gel from the plant is super, there are plenty of aloe vera hair products out there to make your hair routine even easier. Look out for shampoo, conditioner, and serum, all with pure aloe vera extract. They're designed to provide the moisture and repair properties of aloe vera, minus the mess of raw gel application. Some of the popular brands even sell aloe vera-based hair masks, which come as a rescue for deep conditioning. Aloe vera isn't just great for hydration and repair. It's quite the natural shine booster for your hair. All those nutrients work to seal the hair cuticle, which would reflect a shinier and healthier looking set of strands for you. Along with that, aloe vera helps smoothen frizz as well, hindering styling your hair, so this is why aloe vera is perfect for everything. Whether you battle frizz or just need some extra sheen, aloe vera will do the job. While in general, aloe vera is generally safe for most of us, it is always preferable to go for a patch test before applying it over the scalp. Some people may have an allergy to the aloe vera, which may cause irritation and itching. In case you do have sensitive skin or some kind of scalp condition, then it is always a good idea to discuss with the dermatologist before putting aloe vera into action. Moreover, this can at times leave your hair slightly sticky if overused. You should apply it with some form of moderation. Aloe vera is good enough to work on its own but can also be combined with others to enhance the effect. Combining coconut oil with aloe vera can make for a very hydrating and nourishing formulation. For added strength, mix aloe vera with honey that will help seal moisture. Try other combinations to find out which one is suitable for your hair. Scientific validation of aloe vera for hair care is not lacking. Many such studies exist, supporting their efficacy in moisturizing, repairing, and hair growth promoting formulations. It's been unanimously agreed upon that aloe vera is a safe and effective herbal component for improving the status of hairs, with many professionals recommending its use in a holistic hair care approach. Conclusion: aloe vera is much more than a hot ingredient in hair products around the globe. Pretty good at moisturizing and repairing hair, it makes the hair stronger and thus proves highly beneficial for enhancing the overall health and appearance of the hair. If you're suffering from dry hair, damaged strands, or scalp issues, aloe vera could be the all-natural yet pocket-friendly way out. Embrace this wonder plant in your hair care regime and reap all its benefits. Aloe vera can be used every week, 2-3 times, for better results. Can aloe vera be used for a dry scalp? Yes, it can. The hydrating properties of aloe vera can soothe and moisturize the dry scalp. Is aloe vera safe for all hair types? In general, aloe vera is safe for most hair types. But it's always good to do a patch test first. Does aloe vera help in quick hair growth? True, aloe vera does stimulate hair follicles and can help speed up the growth of hair. How to store aloe vera for hair treatments. Keep fresh aloe vera gel in an airtight container in the fridge. Lasts for up to a week. Don't forget to leave a review.